Hey everybody, I'm here today with a nighttime driving lesson. As you can see, it's dark out and I'm going to be telling you some specifics for driving safely at night. Now it's actually about 7:20 a.m. so it's not really night and it's not even that early in the morning, but it's still dark out. So this does look how it looks at night pretty much. So let's get right to it. I'm going to get on the road and we will continue. Let's go. All right, so first and foremost, you want to have the right lighting. So you want to make sure that your headlights are on because that's going to illuminate the road in front of you. As you can see right here, the road in front of me is nice and illuminated. I can see everything that's happening in front of the car. That is because the headlights are on. Secondly, with regards to lights, you want to make sure that your interior lights are on. Now, the interior lights allow you to see all of the controls in the car. And in many cars, the interior lights also turn on the corner lights on the outside of the car, which is an added feature for allowing other drivers to see you. It provides more light outside of the car. So the lights outside of your car allow you to see the road in front of you, and they allow other drivers to see you, okay? You also want to make sure that your rear tail lights are on, just like the car in front of us. That allows other drivers to see you from when they are behind you. So with regards to lighting, you want to make sure that your lighting is good for allowing you to see and allowing other drivers to see you, okay? So that's basically it for lighting. Now, with regards to following distance, I'm actually following a little too closely right now. You want to actually keep a greater following distance at night just because everything is a little bit darker, it's harder to see, and therefore your reaction time is going to increase. Now, with an increased reaction time, you have to also increase the following distance. Now, with that being said, as long as a person in front of you, as long as their brake lights are working and functioning properly, you'll know when they are braking because it's nighttime, the brake lights just show up really bright. Because it's dark outside, the brake lights are super bright. They look a lot brighter than during the daytime, but there's no guarantee that the person in front of you is going to have brake lights that are working. With regards to everything else that you have to see, the road signs, other things on the road, you want to make sure that your vision is nice and clear. If you have glasses, make sure that they're nice and clean. Make sure that they're not smudgy or anything like that because you really want to see everything. And if you have a smudge on your glasses or if you have something that's bothering your eye, it might make everything seem kind of blurry and it might actually make the lights sort of flare out, and that's not going to be good for your vision. So you want to make sure that you are in an ideal condition for seeing everything on the road. And with that being said, you want to just take the extra precautions. Now, when you're driving during the daytime, everything is quick and easy. And not quick and easy, but it's very simple because there's nothing that would be hindering your sight or your vision. But when you're driving at nighttime, the lack of light, the low lighting conditions completely changes the game, okay? And if you are a new driver driving at nighttime, you really have to take extra precautions for safety because you're going to be getting accustomed to the low light conditions and operating a car in the low light conditions. But other than that, the maneuvering of the car is the exact same at night as it is during the day. The way that the car responds with the gas and the brake is going to be the same. The only difference is going to be how you are perceiving the road and everything around you that's happening. So with that being said, I just wanted to make this relatively quick driving lesson for driving at night. It was a very simple driving lesson. Be sure that you take the extra precautions when you drive at night and you'll be good to go. I hope that you've enjoyed this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up if it helped you. Let me know what you think about nighttime driving in the comments section down below. And above all, please be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.